Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Nikki, and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So, in this video, we will learn about the assignment operators in C language. Okay, guys. So let's get start this video without wasting any time. So, in the last video, we had learned about the bitwise operators. If you didn't watch the video, so link is in the video description. Go and watch this. Okay. So, let's start to the topic. So, assignment operator, these all are the assignment operators. Okay, first is simple assignment operator and the second is addition assignment. Okay, it by the way, an assignment operator is used to assign the value from the right to the left variable or operations. Okay, and if you want to, okay, let me first explain this. If we have variable a and we assign its value to 4, okay, so it means we assign the value 4 into the variable a. So this is the simple assignment. For know these all the assignments, so let's jump to the Visual Studio Code. Okay, guys, so in this case we have to do a practical or write a program for the assignment operators. So this is the last program. Let me first make this line dead. Okay, guys. Okay, so here let me first remove the one variable. Okay, great. And now I will, oh wait, here I will type the printf function, and here I will type %d, or the result is %d %d. Okay, sorry, and here I will type print the variable a, because we have only one variable, that is a. Okay, and here we assign the, this is the simple assignment that is used to assign the value of variable. Okay, so we have assigned the value of variable a to 3. Okay, and now we are going to use the addition assignment. Okay, for this, so I'm going to use a addition assignment 1. Okay, it means a equal to a plus 1. Okay, guys, it means a equal to a plus 1. It means 3, sorry, a equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay, because variable a value is 3 and a plus 1 equal to 4, or 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Now let's check its output. Okay, as you can see, guys, the result is 4. Okay, so I hope you understand this, the addition assignment. Now go to the subtraction assignment. Okay, so it means a minus 1, and we are going to 3 minus 4, then the output will be 2. Okay, a subtraction assignment 1, it means, guys, we will subtract the value 1 from the variable value 3. Okay, from the variable a, and variable a value is 3, so 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So let's check its output. Okay, guys, oh great, the result is 2. And if we make this value 4, then we will get the value minus 1. Okay, let's check its output. As you can see, the result is minus 4, because the subtraction value is greater than 3. Okay, so I hope you understanding these all. So okay, let's learn about the multiplication. Okay, so a multiplication assignment 4, it means a into 4, it means 3 into 4, then the output will be 12. Okay, so let's check the output. Okay, as you can see, the result is 12. This is so cool, and these all are the assignments. Assignment operators are very important for know in the C language. Okay, so we have completed addition, subtraction and multiplication. Now go for the divide. So wait, let's make it 12, and now we are going to divide the variable a from for 4. Okay, it means if we divide 12 from 4, then the result will be 3. Okay, let's check the output. The result is 3. Okay guys, because variable a value is 12, if we divide the 12 with 4, then the output will be 3 additions. Now let's jump to the modulus or remainder. This is so logical. Okay, a little logical. So it means if we sorry divide the 12 with 4, there is no remainder. Okay, after division, so its result will be 0. So let's check this. Okay guys, the result is 0, and if we make it 15 like that, then the okay, then the output will be 3, because 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So if we multiply 4 time, then the answer 16, because 16 is greater than 15, so we need to multiply in with 4 for 3 times. It gets the value 12, and the remainder will be 3. It means answer will be 3. So let's check its output. Okay, that's great. Here you can see the result is 3. Okay guys, so I hope you understand all these assignment variables, and if these all variables are helpful for you, then please guys like this video and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.